When it comes to diesel engine repair, fuel injectors play a crucial role in ensuring efficient combustion and optimal engine performance. But what happens when fuel injectors start to fail? Some repair shops may be hesitant to use remanufactured fuel injectors. Today, we will discuss why diesel repair shops should not be afraid of using remanufactured diesel fuel injectors. Before we get into today's video, if you're looking to keep your diesel engine running at peak performance on the road, be sure to hit the subscribe button. End your search for answers and engine components with our industry-leading technical service and parts featured here at HHP. Also, be sure to check out highwayandheavyparts.com for our online resource library offering additional help for all major heavy-duty makes and models. Hit subscribe, get informed, get back on the road with America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. HHP is now manufacturing high-quality, reliable Black Series fuel injectors that meet or exceed OEM specifications. They're manufactured using processes as precise as the OEM, following the same tolerances and using the same specialized equipment. So, what makes Reman injectors like these such a great choice for your engine? Remanufactured fuel injectors are an excellent and reliable choice to install in your diesel engine. They have gone through a rigorous process of disassembly, cleaning, inspection, replacement of any worn or damaged components, and reassembly to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. Using a reputable Reman center ensures that the rebuilt fuel injectors are of high quality and meet strict standards. This means that diesel repair shops can expect to receive parts that are reliable, durable, and perform just as well as new fuel injectors. HHP takes pride in their remanufactured Black Series fuel injectors and stands behind them with their no questions asked free replacement warranty. This means that for if any reason an HHP fuel injector fails, the customer can receive a free replacement without any hassle or questions asked. With HHP Black Series injectors, diesel repair shops can be confident that they are receiving high quality parts and service. HHP is committed to customer satisfaction and is dedicated to providing the best possible service and support to their customers. So, why should diesel repair shops have confidence in using remanufactured fuel injectors? Because they can expect to receive high quality parts and service from a reputable remanufacturer. So if you're a diesel repair shop looking at reliable and cost-effective fuel injectors with a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, HHP is a trusted and reputable choice for you and your customers. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So, if you're looking for affordable OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about your diesel engine, you can call our ASE certified technicians at 844-447-1453, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube, Facebook, and all our other social media channels to stay up to date on all news and information. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.